international conference ICT-Con 2014, which is organized by our Department of Computer Science in India. This is a 2-day international conference, and here we invited papers, and I feel proud to share with you all that we have received 100 papers from very reputed institutions including IIT, NITs, and then centrally funded technical institutes, central universities. So with this initiative, we have created a footprint across the nation, because our entire country, that people have come to know about CIT, what CIT is doing, and these conferences changes the perception, helps improving our ranking. So with that motive, we started this, and we involved more than 200 experts across the India who are associated with IITs, NITs, triple ITs. Many of the professors are in an advisory committee, and out of those 100 papers, only 37 papers have been selected, which are very quality papers. And then we started today this program. Today our inaugural session is going on. Our Honorable CM, Sri Pramod Boro sir, this is the occasion. Out of his busy schedule, he has many other pre-scheduled programs, but considering the initiative that we have taken, the footprint that it is going to create for not only for the CIT but also for the Bodoland Territorial Region, he graced the occasion. The Executive Director of IOCL, N.K. Barua sir, he graced the dais as our chief guest. Our distinguished guest, Sri Akhilesh Singh ji, who is the project head of NTPC Bogaigaon, he joined us today in the session. Professor Petia from Barcelona University, she joined us. So this is a very good conference which is initiated by our conference chair, Professor Dr. Pankaj Pratap Singh and Dr. Sitla Prasad, and our entire department, our entire faculty fraternity of the institute. They all supported. Our student volunteers, they all came together, and together we are doing this, and these events are very important. Because we are a technical institute, the technology advancing every day in terms of AI, in terms of computing, in terms of data science, and this is the high time that we should come together, the industry people should come together, the leaders should come on the platform, the academicians should come on platform, and then we should do such kind of event where we discuss how this technology can help the society, how can we help meet the sustainable development goal. As our Honorable Prime Minister also has given a call, that Viksit Bharat call, Make in India call. So these are possible only when we do such events, when we discuss about it, when we empower our next generation with the required technical skills. Our Honorable CM of the Assam, with all his efforts, now we have a semiconductor industry in the Assam. It's a very proud moment for all of us. And already there is a parallel, very big program going on in IIT Guwahati. Create the pool of manpower which we require for skilled manpower, which we require for our semiconductor industry, our artificial intelligence based industry. So all together we are doing this. I must thank the organizing committee, I must thank our Honorable CM, I must thank our chief guests, I must thank all the sponsors. The NTPC has sponsored us, the IOCL, they came together. So these people have helped us, our student volunteers who took very active part, our faculty members, our staff members. So everybody has helped us, and we are doing it very successfully. And I thank at last to the media person for coming to this particular venue and giving coverage to our this event. Thank you.